You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
We're going to finish up the week strong. 14-minute interval. I'm not going to do a lot of horsing around here. All I'm going to say is me training you is over with for today. Come catch me. Let's see if you can do better. See if you can do better on the calorie burn than I do. All right. Give me a big old thumbs up, please. It really helps out the channel for everybody to find it. Hit the subscribe. I made it super easy. It's right on the screen now. You don't even have to scroll down and look for it. Hit that bell notification so you know when I upload, which is every day. And if you have an alternative way of keeping track of your heart rate and everything, I use the iPhone watch. Set that up now. We will get music going in a few minutes here. So, if you did not warm up, hit the pause, go warm up, then come back and be ready to work. I'll be here waiting. All right. Don't know how this is going to go. I'm tired. Not really. But let's get our weekend on. So, 14-minute workout, interval sprints, 8 sprints. 3, 2, 1. Hit the backs button. Here we go. Don't have to go all out in the first one. Get that first initial shock out of your system. There we go. Now we can back it down. Catch your breath. Try to pin it 100% on the first one. Makes it really hard to make it through the workout though. I found that out the hard way. But as we go on, we're going to gradually keep doing better, better, better. Seconds, we go again. Round 2. 8 stages. 14-minute intervals. 10 seconds. There we go again. Crank it up. Come on. There you go. Really try to hang on to it all the way into the countdown on that sprint. It really helps out every second. Nice deep breaths in. Get the oxygen back to your limbs. If you're spinning too fast, can't recover, slow it down. In time, it will come there. Everything takes time. Nothing happens overnight. 5 seconds. Round 3. Here we go. Come on. Hang on to it. Okay, bring it down. Pick up my control panel. See the lights? We're on point. Set them. It should be on your left hand. That way you know where you want to go to. That's all. I do it so it's easier for you guys to see what I have in mind of my pace. Seconds. Round 4 coming up. You're either feeling good, loosening up, or you're wishing it was over already. Just make it through it. Don't quit. Finish the workout. 5 seconds. Round 4. Here we go. Don't quit early. Keep the sprint going. Back it down. Come on. I know you're doing good. No matter what kind of machine you're on. I don't care if you're on a treadmill. When it's interval time, juice up that treadmill. Get a sprint going. You're on an elliptical. Get that sprint when it's time. We're all doing the same thing. Trying to feel better. Trying to stay healthy. I don't care what machine you're on. 30 seconds. That's it. Keep breathing. 10 seconds. Round 5. We're over halfway done. Here we go. Crank her up. Keep pumping. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. You got it. Okay, relax. You have to slow it down even more to a crawl. Do that. Just got past the halfway point. Past 200 calories. Hopefully you're right there with me. If not, it's alright. Eventually you will be. "30 seconds. Round 6. Don't dread it, guys. Be happy. Look forward to it. It's what keeps you coming back. 10 seconds. 5. Here we go. Crank her up. Use your arms. 10 seconds. Bring it down. Really use your arms. Your arms is what sets how fast your body's going to go. Don't try to do it just with your legs. Concentrate on that breathing. You need that oxygen back in your body. Without it, your legs and arms will get tired fast. They'll start going numb on you. 30 seconds. Round 7 coming up. Five seconds. Crank her up. Don't cut it short. Relax. $305 calories. Still one more interval to go. Yeah, good workout. If you're enjoying yourself, this is challenging, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm here all the time. 30 seconds. Last sprint. 15. You got this. 10 seconds. Do not quit. You will hate yourself. All right. Crank it up. Last time. Cut it short. All right. That's it, recover. We just have to make it to the finish line. One minute. I'm finishing. Seconds. All right. Whew. All right, guys. Let me catch my breath. Get a towel. I'll be right back with the after talk. Welcome back to the after talk. This is where we come and we discuss the workout. Hopefully you had a good 14-minute interval workout. I'm always trying now, since I hit that, it was 400 some calories the one time on a 14-minute. Today was 388. That is nothing to be ashamed of. I'm fooling around with how much to give it, when to, really hammer into it, where I need to set my pace. If I want to be conservative on the sprint side, I'm going to have to be more aggressive on the pace side. That way I'm consistently hitting the 400. But I am not, it's Saturday. It's the end of the week workout. I am not disappointed with 388 calories in 14 minutes, not at all. And whatever you hit, heck, if you normally hit 50 and today you hit 75, man, what a big jump. I mean, come on. When I first started on this machine, when I bought it, probably back 2016, I think I bought it. I was lucky to get 150 calories in 14 minutes. I didn't know how I was going to do it. And I just came off of being an athlete and only took a year's rest. So do not be ashamed. Don't be depressed. And most of all, do not give up. Too many people in this world want instant gratification and they don't want to work for anything. I say the same thing to people trying to lose weight all the time. It took a big investment and a lot of time to gain all that weight. And they're like, what are you talking about? I'm like, every time you went into the convenience store and bought a Snickers bar, you spent a lot of money. But, they make a decision, they want to lose weight, and they want it to come off instantly. Hey, you can't argue with Mother Nature. The average body loses 2 to 2.5 pounds a week. There's nothing you can do about it. I don't care how much you work out. All right, so great workout, great end of the week. Make sure you tune in for tomorrow, even though it's a day off. It's tip of the day. I still don't even know what I'm going to talk about. I'll think of something. I don't want to just get on there and jabber just to have a video. So, all right, I will see you later.